Love tiramisu and iced coffee? Then this layered iced tiramisu latte is about to become your new favorite drink. With bold espresso, creamy mascarpone foam, sweet vanilla milk, and a light cocoa finish, every sip tastes like the famous Italian dessert. Let's make this stunning cafe-style beverage right at home. Ingredients: 2 shots freshly brewed espresso, cooled 1 cup cold whole milk, 2 tablespoons mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 1 tablespoon vanilla syrup, 1 tablespoon simple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, ice cubes, unsweetened cocoa powder for dusting crushed Ladyfinger cookies. Directions: start by brewing 2 shots of espresso and allow them to cool completely. Fill a tall serving glass with plenty of ice cubes to keep every layer crisp and refreshing. In a small bowl, whisk together the mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and a small splash of milk until smooth and creamy. Set aside. Pour the vanilla syrup into the bottom of the glass. Slowly add the cold milk over the ice, creating the first beautiful layer. If you prefer a sweeter drink, stir in the simple syrup before adding the milk. Gently pour the cooled espresso over the back of a spoon so it floats above the milk, creating distinct coffee and milk layers. Carefully spoon the mascarpone cream mixture on top, allowing it to form a rich, velvety finish. Dust generously with unsweetened cocoa powder and sprinkle crushed Ladyfinger cookies over the foam for a classic tiramisu touch. Serve immediately with a straw or stir before drinking to blend the flavors into a smooth, creamy, Italian-inspired iced latte. This layered iced tiramisu latte delivers the rich flavor of Italy's favorite dessert in every refreshing sip. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious coffee creations. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.